Okay, that seems good. So what you do is you're gonna mine out 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess 2 by 4. Oh, I guess sometimes you might just find it while you're doing that bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna mine out that block and the one above. This is just to protect us from any kind of lava that could be forming and falling on us. So I'll do the roof first. I heard a noise. It doesn't matter. This has to be 2 blocks deep. And you fill it. Then you're gonna put 1 bed in. And bed number 2. You're gonna do 2 blocks. So you've got 2 blocks below you, 2 blocks in front of you, and 2 blocks behind you with a block above everywhere. You sleep in the bed. Sometimes that happens where you drop down. Booyah, that's a triple. And then you open the other side up, and I've taken no damage. Go. 1, 2. Oh god. That's interesting that I hear a ghast. That is 3 and 4. That one's not gonna work. Well, that's okay. The one above us. I'm just gonna lay one more bed down just so we can see it. Oh, don't forget 2 blocks down. Because as you saw, I fell, but I was okay. Because I had the 2 blocks there. Anyway. Boom. Oh, that's a lot of lava. Baby. Hurry. That's about the worst case scenario that you get. Is that right there. Really, it's okay. Ooh, I dropped all my food. But I see now that oh! Oh, jeez.